my god, that's so cool. It just starts spraying out like crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully not, right? That would hurt. How much is in there? Wow.
Dang. Espresso, baby.
That's that me espresso. That's a lot.
That is a lot.
That's a full.
Okay, take another heat.
It's still going. You think it's done?
Yeah.
You don't think there's more?
It bubbled out, yeah.
No, man, let's get to the bill. Like, comment, subscribe, order 400K. On that note, we gone.
Los limones los encontramos en